Hey, try to visualize a time when you were watching the Wimbledon champion and your best hero was right there standing in the center of the court and was about to lose that match. And somehow magically they pulled the strength from inside, turned the match around, won the match, and took the shield. Do you remember it? It happens so often. And exactly this is how the consulting world looks like and how the mindsets of consultants should be. You're normally presented with a consulting assignment, which is the brink of collapse of a company. The management will set unrealistic turnover and profitability target in desperate attempt to turn things around. The initial reaction from the client side and your own team would be of one of the skepticism and despair. The target seems unattainable and doubts are running high. But with the right mindset, you can foster unwavering determination and positivity. Instead of dwelling on those things of impossibility of the task, you focus on finding a creative solution. Through your unwavering belief in your team's abilities and your relentless pursuit of innovation strategies, you not only meet the targets but also surpass it. This remarkable turnaround not only secures your client's trust but also paves the way for future business opportunities. Hey, how is that for imagination? Hello and welcome to yet another enlightening episode of eConsulting Business Podcast. I'm your host Vishwa Mohan, and today we're going to dive deep into the topic, the very foundation of success in consulting world, mindset metamorphosis, key to successful consulting mindset. It's no secret that right mindset is key to unlocking your full potential as consultant. Your mindset shapes your actions, your decisions, ultimately your success. Here are the three compelling reasons why maintaining a positive mental attitude is essential in the consulting world. First, it breeds resilience. Consulting often involves tackling complex and ambiguous problems. A positive mindset helps you bounce back from the setbacks and keep moving forward. Second, it fuels creativity. A positive mindset encourages out of box thinking and innovation. It allows you to approach problem with fresh perspective and find unique solutions. And third reason is it attracts the clients. Clients are naturally drawn to the consultants who exude confidence and positivity. Your mindset can make or break the first impression that you create because normally the clients are already on their low tone or probably skeptic about achieving their goals because they would have already tested with their best talent inside the organization. When they come to a consultant, they already are looking for somebody who's actually having a positive outlook, having that experience and ability to solve their problems. So the moment you display the positive mindset, you actually can help the client win mentally first. Now that you understood why one should cultivate a positive mental attitude, let's understand the six strategies as independent consultant or a freelancer one need to build in order to succeed in this consulting world. Strategy 1, self-awareness. Understanding your strengths and weakness, knowing yourself allows you to work on the areas that you need to improve. Strategy 2 is goal setting. Set clear and achievable goals for yourself. Goals provide direction, purpose, fueling your determination. Strategy 3, positive self talk. Monitor your own inner talk, inner dialogue. Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmation and encouragement. This is a daily practice. Maybe you can start off by watching your inner thought and put a rubber band around your waist. Whenever that negative chatter comes in, snap it, and then slowly you will realize how you are improving. Another strategy could be talking to oneself in mirror. When you look into your own eyes and talk, do you feel that optimism? Do you feel those negative thoughts coming in? Slowly, as you practice more and more, you actually win over your confidence. Strategy 4 is embrace those challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth, embrace them with growth mindset. Knowing that failure is a stepping stone for success, try taking challenging projects. And as you go on doing more of that, you actually get to feel that you understand yourself better. You start strengthening that muscle of confidence. Strategy 5, continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning, stay curious and open minded, seeking new knowledge and skills. One of the ways to learn is to, of course, absorb through formal trainings. Another way is to learn by doing. Learning by doing actually gets you to another level. One of the ways I offer in my consulting training program is to give you entrepreneurial experiments so that you go back and test it in a safe zone where you are part of your own company, you're testing out, trying the business case, and solving it step by step. Another is to do the extrapreneurial experimentation, which is to go out and serve for projects. And then when you win your client's heart, when you get the testimonial, you feel more confident that you can do it better. This way of learning is more faster and stays permanent. Strategy 6 is gratitude practice. Cultivate the gratitude for the opportunities and experiences in your life. A grateful mind fosters positivity. So always remember, retrospection is very important. One of the ways is to approach with solving one problem and moving on to another problem. But that way, you would not learn more. The moment you retrospect, the moment you learn with gratitude what did work and what didn't work, is when you start to go and deepen your knowledge. So that is attitude of gratitude. To further enhance your mindset, consider joining my upcoming 6-day workshop where we're talking about consulting case challenge. In this workshop, you will have the opportunity to immerse yourself into the problem solving scenarios, working with a close community of like-minded individuals. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that your mindset is your greatest asset in this consulting world. It can turn obstacles into opportunities and challenges into triumphs. Thank you for tuning into eConsulting Business Podcast. I hope you're feeling inspired to embark onto the journey of mindset metamorphosis. Join me in our next episode as we explore into more insights on the online consulting and the path to financial freedom. Until then, stay positive, stay focused, and keep thriving for success.